How to make bruschetta chicken bacon. Ingredients: 1.5 pound skinless boneless chicken breast halves, cubed. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 15-ounce can diced tomatoes with juice. A half cup water. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. 1 6-ounce box chicken flavored dry bread stuffing mix. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning. Directions: toss the cubed chicken with the salt in a large bowl. Place the chicken in a layer into the bottom of the bake together tomatoes, water, garlic, and stuffing mix in a large bowl. Set aside to soften. Place the cheese on top of the chicken. Sprinkle with the Italian seasoning. Spread the softened stuffing mixture on top. Bake uncovered until the chicken cubes have turned white and are no longer pink in the center, about 30 minutes.